Bollywood actress Sonakshi Sinha is once again in the limelight, but this time, not for her upcoming movie or a new project. Instead, it's all about pregnancy rumors. Recently, Sonakshi and her husband, Zahir Iqbal, were spotted at a fashion show. And as usual, the couple turned heads, but it wasn't just their fashion choices that got people talking. Fans quickly started speculating, is Sonakshi pregnant? The rumors went into overdrive after a hilarious video from a Diwali party started circulating online. In the video, Zahir couldn't resist teasing Sonakshi by placing his hand on her stomach. Cue the laughs. As Zahir repeated the gesture a few times, Sonakshi burst into laughter and jokingly yelled at him. It was clear the two were having fun and completely enjoying each other's company. Zahir, still laughing, turned to the cameras and said, "I'm just joking, guys." The couple's playful chemistry melted hearts online, and fans couldn't stop gushing about how happy and in love they seemed. Fans quickly took to social media, sharing their thoughts. Some joked, maybe this is how they'll announce the pregnancy, while others simply admired the couple's fun-loving relationship. One fan wrote, "You can see they're really happy together." Another commented, "Zahir's pranks are on point." It's clear that Sonakshi and Zahir share a deep bond, full of laughter and love. Whether they're teasing each other or sharing adorable moments, the couple's chemistry is undeniable. So, are the pregnancy rumors true? Well, for now, it's just a fun prank. But one thing's for sure, Sonakshi and Zahir are enjoying their married life to the fullest.
अजी सोना निर्वाण भाई साथ में चलो सर यहाँ से राइट से मजाक कर रहे all of you right follow all of you right yeah sir यहाँ पे मैं मियाँ चलो हो गया आपके आप दोनों का निर्वाण आराम आप दोनों का रुक जाओ पहले रुको आराम भाई निर्वाण के साथ
The entertainment world was shaken by the news of Sanjay Kapoor's passing, but on 15th October, his sister, Mandir Kapoor Smith, remembered her brother on what would have been his birthday. In a heartfelt Instagram post, she shared her deep emotions, reflecting on his legacy and the countless memories they created together. Mandira's tribute to her beloved brother was full of love and nostalgia. She wrote, "Happy birthday, my dearest Bhaiya. This day wraps me in 1,000 memories, childhood laughter echoing through our home, birthday candles flickering between us, and your mischievous grin that could melt any storm away." Mandira spoke of the boy who grew into a man full of life and love. "I still see you, that confident, charming boy who grew into a man so full of life, so full of love, so full of light." She described Sanjay as fearless, radiant, and endlessly kind. You carried our family's name and legacy with quiet strength and unwavering pride, she wrote. You took the torch our father lit and made its flame burn even brighter, lighting the path for all of us who follow. While the world may feel quieter without him, Mandira believes his presence still surrounds them. We hold close your values, truth, loyalty, and grace, and we keep your memory pure and untouched, guarding it from any shadow that dares to dim your light or distort your intent. She ended her note with deep affection. We miss you more than words can ever say. But even in your absence, you and Dad remain our eternal guides, our light in the dark, our reminder of what it means to live with courage, honor, and love. Mandira also shared photos from past birthdays and family moments, honoring Sanjay's love for life and family. However, in her tribute, she did not include Sanjay's wife, Priya Sachdev Kapoor, or their children. Meanwhile, Priya Sachdev Kapoor, Sanjay's wife, also paid tribute to him, sharing a touching video with her own memories. The video featured not just Sanjay but also Karisma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian. In the end, no matter the differences, Sanjay Kapoor's memory remains a light for those who loved him, forever etched in their hearts. Tejasvi Prakash and Karan Kundara, one of television's most adored couples, have always been each other's biggest support system. But their latest social media moment has sparked quite a bit of buzz, especially around the ongoing drama involving Karan's ex, Anusha Dandekar. Tejasvi recently shared a belated birthday post for Karan, which featured some adorable photos of the two together. In the series, Karan is seen kissing Tejasvi's forehead against a sparkling backdrop, and they also have moments captured inside a car and on a yacht, living their best lives. But it wasn't just the pictures that grabbed attention. Tejasvi's caption read, "The only right swipe he does now. To the man of my dreams, happy birthday." And this playful mention of a right swipe had fans speculating if it was a subtle dig at the cheating drama involving Karan and his ex-girlfriend, Anusha Dandekar. In a recent podcast, Anusha had claimed that her ex-boyfriend, Karan, cheated on her, revealing that he was flirting with women on a dating app while they were still together. Anusha even mentioned that they both had been brand ambassadors for the app in question. As soon as Tejasvi shared the post, the internet was quick to react. Many fans took it as a playful, yet pointed response to Anusha's allegations. One fan commented, "Kitne tain malegi ye ladki," while another wrote, "The caption speaks for itself." However, not everyone was on board with Tejasvi's approach. Some fans came out in support of Anusha, saying, "Honestly, it's disappointing to see shade being thrown at another woman who went through something painful. A little empathy goes a long way." They emphasized that no one should throw shade when someone is dealing with betrayal and heartbreak. Tejasvi and Karan met on Bigg Boss season 15 and have been inseparable ever since. Their love story has been one of the most talked about on television, with fans adoring their chemistry. The couple was last seen on the fun couple reality show The Laughter Chef. While Tejasvi and Karan continue to be the power couple that fans adore, it's clear that their personal lives remain under constant scrutiny. Whether it's love, drama, or playful posts, they're always in the spotlight. In a major development, Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, have approached the court seeking a share in their late father, and it's causing quite a stir in both the legal world and the Kapoor family. Amid the ongoing legal battle, Samaira and Kian took a moment to quietly remember their father on what would have been his birthday. Karishma Kapoor shared a heartwarming image of a birthday cake with the message, "Happy Birthday Dad." Karishma's sister, Kareena Kapoor Khan, also reshared the photo, adding an emotional note for her niece and nephew, writing, "My Sam and Q, Dad is protecting you always and forever," followed by a heart emoji. The matter is currently being heard in the Delhi High Court. Senior advocate Rajiv Nair, representing Priya Kapoor, the wife of late Sanjay Kapoor, has strongly opposed the civil suit filed by Karishma's children. Nair argued that the suit had no legal grounds, stating, "There is no challenge to this will, you have not challenged the execution or validity of the will in the pleadings." He emphasized that the plaintiffs were aware of the will as early as July and that a formal reading was held in their presence. He further pointed out, there is no amendment to the plaint or any replication challenging the will. He argued that minor errors like spelling mistakes could not invalidate the will, stating, "I have never seen a will invalidated for spelling errors." On the other side, senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing Karishma's children, has argued that the will was forged. He pointed out multiple irregularities, including the use of feminine pronouns to describe the testator and the omission of Sanjay's mother from the will. Jethmalani described the will as riddled with contradictions and questioned the authenticity of the document, especially since Priya Kapoor was both the propounder and sole beneficiary. The High Court has heard both sides and will continue hearing the case on Friday for further arguments. The question remains, will the court uphold the will or side with Karishma's children? This legal battle is far from over, and all eyes are on the Delhi High Court as it considers the future of Sanjay Kapoor's assets. We'll keep you updated on the latest developments in this emotional family dispute. The entertainment industry bid a tearful goodbye to a beloved veteran, actor Pankaj Dheer, who passed away after a long and brave battle with cancer. Known for his iconic role as Karna in B.R. Chopra's Mahabharat, Pankaj Dheer was cremated in Mumbai on 15 October, surrounded by friends, family, and admirers. The funeral was attended by several Bollywood and television stars, all coming together to pay their last respects. Among them were Salman Khan, Deepika Kakkar, and Shoaib Ibrahim, who showed their support in this heartbreaking time. In emotional visuals that surfaced online, Deepika Kakkar was seen breaking down as she attended the ceremony with her husband, Shoaib Ibrahim. Both dressed in simple white outfits, a symbol of mourning, were seen supporting each other through this difficult moment. Deepika was seen hugging someone close before wiping away her tears and holding Shoaib's hand as they made their way to the main ritual area. Their quiet presence reflected deep respect for their dear friend Nikitin Dheer, who was clearly heartbroken. Just hours before his father's passing, Nikitin Dheer shared a cryptic and emotional message on Instagram. The post read, "Whatever comes, let it come. Whatever stays, let it stay. Whatever goes, let it go. As a Shiva Bhakt, say Shivarpanam and move on. He'll take care." Very hard to do. Nikitin's heartfelt words resonated deeply with his fans, who later expressed their condolences after the news of Pankaj Dheer's death broke. Pankaj Dheer's legacy will forever be remembered through his unforgettable performance as Karna, but his family and loved ones will cherish him most deeply. As fans continue to mourn his loss, we all join in sending strength and love to his family during this difficult time. Rest in peace, Pankaj Dheer. You will always be remembered, not just as an actor, but as a beloved soul who touched hearts.